Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the new Morphe 9R Bronze Metal Palette. This is what this one looks like. It's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and it has all of these gorgeous colors in here. There are 2 rows of shimmery eyeshadow colors and then 3 matte shades. I feel like this is like a really soft color palette. I don't think like these shades are super harsh or anything. So I really like that, especially for the summer when you want a lighter eye makeup look. You can create a bronzy look using just this palette and it won't be super heavy. So I'm really excited to see the look that we create today. So let's get started. So using a Morphe M441 brush, I am going to go into this matte light neutral color. I'm just going to place that along my crease line. And using the same brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Champion. And I'm just going to place that right over top in the crease. And going in with an angled brush, I'm going into the darkest matte brown called Looks Rich. And I'm just going to create a wing on the outer corner of the eye. Just flicking that line outwards. Dragging it in. Now I'm just going to go in with some concealer on a flat concealer brush. Just cut my inner corner of my lid. So I'm just starting at the inner corner and then dragging that concealer up and defining the crease. And then pulling some of that concealer onto the lid. I'm just going to swatch a couple of these shimmery eyeshadow colors in here. So first I'm going into the shade Penny Dropper, Stunt on 'em, and Glitter Winner. Those are the 3 shades in the order that I swatched them. Highly pigmented and very, very pretty. So I'm just going to go in with a Morphe flat eyeshadow brush. This is a Morphe M166 brush. Going into the shade Stunt on 'em. I'm just going to place this right over that concealer, more towards the center of the lid. Then I'm going to add a lighter shade towards the inner part of the lid. So I'm using the shade Penny Dropper. I'm just going to place that on the inner part of that concealer. And then finally I'm going into the shade Found Guilty, which is this color right here. And it is even lighter than the one that we just used. I'm going to also add that to the inner corner and slightly tap that upwards and just kind of add a nice highlight to the eye. So I am going to add inner corner highlight and everything using this palette, but first I'm going to do my lashes and mascara. So first I'm just going to line my waterline using some black pencil liner. And for lashes today, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina lashes, my duo eyelash glue, and popping these on. Then I'm just adding some mascara. So I'm going in with a Morphe M456 brush. I should have done this before I applied my mascara and lashes, but I forgot to do it. I'm going to apply the shade Champion just along my lower lash line. I knew there was like something missing. So now moving on to face makeup, I'm going to use my Benefit Cosmetics Hoola bronzer and just contour my face. And then I'm just going in with some translucent powder and baking my face. And then for blush, I'm using my Benefit Cosmetics Dandelion blush. I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm just going in and dusting all of that powder off. going to go in and finish the rest of the eye makeup. So I'm going back in with that angled eyeshadow brush and going into the shade Looks Rich again. Just going to line my inner corner. And then going in with a Morphe M43 Run brush, I'm going into the shade All That Glimmers, which is a white shimmery color. Just placing that on the very inner part of my inner corner. And I'm also going to add that shade to my brow bone. And now I'm just going to use my Kylie Cosmetics Santorini Loose Powder Highlight and just highlight my face. So I'm placing this on my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. So now for lips, I'm going to line my lips using a nude lip pencil from NYX. And then I'm just topping that off using a Morphe Coca Cola Collection lip gloss in the shade Share, adding that right over top. And this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I am obsessed with this palette. I think it is so pretty, and I absolutely love all the shades in here, and the quality of the palette I think is really great. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!